Okay, guys. So now we're going to get a little bit into the affiliate networks because that's the first thing you're going to want to register for. And if it's not Amazon affiliates, you're going to need to apply for it too. So before, we'll get the applications in, and especially to Amazon because they'll approve you right away. But you'll get the applications in, and then we'll start building the blog in the next one, and I'll show you how to do that. But I'm also going to be slowly building this PowerPoint just as a reference for you guys. I'll also link it in the course so that you can have it, as concrete stuff in case you want to go back and reference some of these materials yourself. But the very first thing is the affiliate networks, and these are the best ones in my opinion. And I'll just run through them really fast for you. There's a million others, so you can use whichever ones you want. These are just the ones that I personally used, no payout, and that I like myself. So obviously the very first one is Amazon affiliates. You can't beat Amazon. There's so many plugs and so many different products you can put into blog posts, YouTube videos, really any links that there's really not much else to say about that. You can go into Amazon, pick any product. They have all the links built for you, and you literally just plug them in as you go. So that'll be the first one. Then obviously Linkshare, better known as Rakuten now, and OfferVault. OfferVault's a great place where you can go in and you can get pay per clicks and pay per, sorry, not pay per clicks, pay per engagement on certain posts, and it's a really great way to start in affiliate marketing, especially when you're doing a blog and YouTube videos like that. So and those are the top three in my opinion, and then obviously any direct links that you get via courses or programs or whatever, what have you, via people that you might know, or anything specific like that. So I'll go into a couple of these myself just to show you briefly. Obviously the very first one is Amazon affiliates, or Amazon associates. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to affiliate-program-amazon.com, and really what you're going to do is you're just going to join now for free, and they'll approve you. And I'm not going to do it right here because I already have an account. But that's really all it comes down to. And then what happens is, so you can go in and pick any product you want. Say you're going to write a blog post or do a YouTube video. And that's really, when you get down to the brass tacks of it, that's what you're going to do. You're going to basically do the same thing across multiple platforms. You're going to set up the base for all three of them: your YouTube, your blog, and your Instagram account. And basically what you're going to do is you're just going to post similar things across all platforms. So you're going to make a blog post about, there's books right here, so we'll just go into a book example. Say you're going to write a short blog post on the top 5 best self-help books, or the top 5 best self-help books that you like, that have been instrumental in your life. Really easy to write, really simple. It doesn't have to be long. And what you're going to do is you're going to literally pick maybe 5 of them, like I said. You're going to get the Amazon affiliate link for them. You're going to write a quick paragraph on why that book was instrumental in your life, or why you like it, and then you're going to link the link in your blog post. And you're going to do the same exact thing over on your YouTube channel. You're going to do a video review, whether you want to do it in person or you want to do it PowerPoint wise, like I'm doing in this. Regardless of what you want to do, the message is still the same. You're going to cover it very shortly on why you think it's a great book, why it's been instrumental in your life, and then you're going to link those affiliate links in the description. You're going to say, listen, if this book was great for me because of this reason, X, Y, and Z, and then you're going to say, if you'd like to grab a copy yourself, the link's in the description. And then you're going to do the very same thing on Instagram. You're going to go into Instagram. You're going to make a post on, maybe a couple of different books lying on a table, and say, hey, I just made a blog post, or I just made a YouTube video on the top 5 self-help books that have been instrumental in my life and my journey to the top. You can check them out here. And, the link's in the description. And basically what you're going to do is from your YouTube, you're going to link all those affiliate links, and you're also going to link your blog and your Instagram. And from your blog, you're going to link your YouTube, obviously the affiliate links to your YouTube and your Instagram. And then from Instagram, you're going to have, obviously you only have the one link in your bio, but you're going to do the same thing, kind of channel traffic around to those sites. It'll give you, not only will it give you more social proof, but it'll give you more chance for people to click the links. And the great thing about Amazon is, say somebody clicks this link right here, the 4 Hour Work Week, and it took you, and it took them to Amazon. They, I forget the exact cookie ratio and time that they have to make this purchase, but say they go in and they're on Amazon, they just clicked your link, but they don't necessarily buy this book. Well, say they come in and they buy, they go, oh, I think I remembered, Johnny needs a gift card. I haven't gotten him a present yet. So they click gift cards in registry and they end up getting an e-gift card. You get the credit for that too because they came to Amazon through your link. So you'll get the affiliate commission on that. So it's a great way. That's why I love Amazon affiliates. And I think it's 7 days the cookie lifespan. Don't quote me on that. I might have to go back in and maybe I'll put something in the PowerPoint to reassure that. But trust me, it's a while and it's a great way to rack up commission. So obviously Amazon affiliates linked through those 3 channels is great. You can also go into, I like Linkshare or Rakuten now. That's another great one. You can sign in. You're going to have to apply for that. But in my experience and some of my clients' experience, it's not too hard to get approved. Another one is Offer Vault. You're going to have to apply to this one too. But one of the things, let's go into types. Okay, so here, CPA. So cost per engagement or cost per lead sometimes. So you don't necessarily need to sell anybody on some of these affiliate commissions here. All you really need to do is just get them to opt into a lead. So it's a lot higher conversion, but a little bit less payout, and you can kind of rack up commissions that way. So it's another way you can do it from Offer Vault. I love Offer Vault for that reason. And really all you need to get is people to opt into certain programs for free. You don't have to sell them on anything. So we're going to get a little bit more in depth in this later on. I'm just listing a couple of them for you today. And obviously you can do courses. Udemy affiliate is great. Or if you know somebody that sells a course on, any of the other things like Teachable, you can get that affiliate link and you'll have direct commission that way. I use special programs like Jungle Scout to get affiliate links through JumpSend. There's a million different ways you can do it. But these are the top ones that I like, specific links like this and Udemy, Amazon affiliates, obviously, Linkshare, and Offer Vault. So just wanted to give you a couple of ideas. You can pick the best ones that you think, fit your business model and your blog posts best. But, I just want to give you a couple ideas to get you started.